And now we're going to look at the final part of Module 5, which was on structures, systems, and significance of memory. This module looked at memory and time and whether memory can be trusted. And I'm going to introduce you to some key concepts that we covered. Firstly, let's consider memory limitations or the limitations of memory. One fascinating phenomenon is called infantile amnesia, which refers to the inability of adults to recall memories from their early childhood. This doesn't mean those early memories weren't important, but rather that our brain's memory systems weren't yet mature enough to form lasting autobiographical memories. Another limitation we have is source monitoring confusion. This occurs when we remember the content of information but misattribute its source. For example, you might remember a fact but be unsure whether you read it in a book, heard it from a friend, or saw it on TV. This confusion can sometimes lead us to believe we experienced something firsthand when we actually only heard about it. Another interesting aspect of this is the ways our memories can become distorted. False memories here are recollections of events that never actually occurred. These can be entirely fabricated or be a mixture of real and imagined elements. Surprisingly, false memories can feel just as vivid and emotionally charged as real ones. Related to false memories is cryptomnesia, which is inadvertent plagiarism. This happens when a person believes an idea is original to them when in fact they encountered it elsewhere and forgot the source. This can lead to unintentional copyright infringements or embarrassing situations where we think we've had an original idea that we actually heard before. And lastly, the misinformation effect is another way our memories can be altered. This occurs when our recollection of an event is influenced by information we receive after the event. For instance, if you witness a car accident and later hear incorrect details about it, you might incorporate those details into your memory of the event, even if they're wrong. Several factors can influence how we form and recall memories. Suggestive memory techniques, which we have here, such as leading questions or guided imagery, can inadvertently plant false information in our memories. This is particularly relevant in legal settings where eyewitness testimonies can be influenced by how questions are asked. On the other hand, some memories seem to be particularly vivid and long-lasting. These are called flashbulb memories, and they're exceptionally clear, detailed memories of surprising, consequential, or emotionally arousing events. Many people have flashbulb memories of where they were when they heard about major world events. However, research has shown that even these memories can be prone to inaccuracy over time. Lastly, it's important to understand the concept of source memory. Um, this is our ability to remember the context in which we learn information, not just the information itself. Good source monitoring can help us distinguish between things we've actually experienced and things we've only imagined or heard about. In conclusion, while the memory is a fundamental part of who we are and how we understand the world, they aren't always as reliable as we might think. They can be influenced by suggestive techniques, altered by misinformation, and even completely fabricated. Understanding these limitations and potential distortions can help us be more critical consumers of our own memories and more understanding of the fallibility of human recollection in general.